Well, I didn't get as much mustard on it as I wanted.
That dude's head just popped off. I didn't know this game did that.
That's too much. Oh!
Literally a dude right there. Got him, boy. What the fuck? What the fuck are these guys? Hear me coming. Dude, these guys have least smokes too? Oh, that'd be even more.
That was the whole level? Holy shit. Oh my god.
Yeah, I could show her like $1,000 to that man's warehouse and get him out of Taylor.
Whew.
I hear you down there, Peter.
God damn, dude. That must be a fucking nice ass suit.
New suit, new tie, new shirt, new boot, start out, new shoes, new belt, new socks.
God damn.
Okay, I'm shooting back.
You want it.
Oh my god, Amy's so fucking slow.
You do see the Cougar courses is changing over to canvas this spring.
You did prove it.
But yeah, stone would be good, hot chicken would be good. I don't remember what that price is, but it's like
20.
16 bucks for a burger.
Oof. Yeah.
Yeah.
What about
Kimchi
how?
fried rice, 16 bucks. Fish and chips, 18 bucks.
We could go to
Chicken for
the
19.
islands by the mall. I've been there. It's relatively close by.
Just get the burger with the fried egg on it.
Ooh, on the right from
Called it out.
Red Robin.
From Red Robin, yeah.
Never tried that. It'd be pretty good though, I bet. No, I've gotten a burger like that before. It's super fucking good.
RPG.
Oh, yeah.
Never at Red Robin.
Tell you what though,
No, I've gotten a burger like that before. It's super fucking good.
RPG.
Oh, yeah.
Never at Red Robin.
tell you what though, not the kind of burger to order if you have a beard. That is, does not come out easy. Egg yolk, nope.
I can tell you that much. Oh, with it. No, he shot me! Oh, what a bastard. There's just so many RPG callouts, dude. I was kind of wondering for a while, like, you know, like, damn, we're getting a bunch of weapons points. How are they gonna make this hard? RPG!
What? Melee take.
Sorry, I heard you say flash out in the game, but not. Which is pretty suspect.
Can you zoom in more? Can't remember. You get the PPSH for free.
Oh, PPSH is like.
Oh wait, I thought I had some of the shotgun. Oh, thank you. Yeah, that's a good.
That was my favorite gun in World of War.
The shotgun unaimed.
All these guns are great. Ooh, that's not fair.
I'm reloading!
By yourself, which I think will be fun and interesting. It just makes it very difficult. Yeah. Yeah. Interesting. It just makes it very difficult. Yeah. Yeah.
Damn, dude. That dude probably saw my fucking cheek and he fucking capitalized it. Thank you. Damn, dude. That dude probably saw my fucking cheek and he fucking capitalized it. Thank you. Did we do anything? I didn't do shit. I'm going to have no ammo very quickly.
We go around trucking them.
I'm literally about to only have a mag throw, dude. I got one-shotted. Absolutely one-shotted. Oh, I'm already dead, dude. That sucks, man. They come from right side.
Not good.
Yeah. What is everyone? What is everyone?
You good in Charlie?
Target, you got it.
Deep water. Tread carefully. It was a fun game. Other people. Yeah, I think I might take a little break. Solo action. Other people. Yeah, I think I might take a little break. Solo action. I think Zach will be on in a bit for a little Apex with it.
With Captain Duncan, hold the city while our occult experts figure out what's causing this and how we can fight
Fucking hell. Fucking hell.
Yeah, there's that gas flamer guy with the big. Oh, no, that wasn't. Wait, that wasn't. They got rid of the swastika in this picture. But when I fought him,
These suicides always be calling fucking ass.
full combo. I'll take that gold.
Get the gunship over here. We're gonna need it.
Observer, this is station. Gunship on its way.
Thank you. The next morning.
It's kind of rough.
No, I think it's just this kid had no idea what was going on. It was thrown for a loop. Like the appetizer I never had before. Some weird chickpea like fried log thing with
Cover me. I'm reloading.
all these weird sauces. Two of which were pretty good. One was like very cilantro-y. One was getting all the money in fucking Tyco, because I can just play these songs on easy and get the gold crown for not missing a note. I get like 300 gold. Because I had to get my first gold. Because I had to get my first gold crown on that.
They just looked over you guys on the fucking sea. EFD, and whatsoever.
see what they got today. Fucking God Eater, Zulk. Fucking God Eater, Zulk Caliber. Kiki's delivery service, house moving castle, minor retarded ending, main song, and Kidboy pack. Kidboy pack.
Easy game, dude.
That was my bad. I did not mean to zip across when I did, but it's alright. Whatever. That was just not my fault. I did not need to do that.
Where the fuck is everyone?
I had to find out about it when I was doing research on Storm. There's a lot of alcoholic things. You get there's like alcoholic cola now. There's
Really?
yep, an alcoholic root beer like. Peter
Yeah,
just said.
dude,
Like, not your dad's
you
root beer.
brought over that one
Yeah.
time was super. It's like some black lady is like lying down and like her head is like facing him. And you
So it's like the best actor ever,
like,
and this is
move
like
her-
some Alex Jones level fucking the
I'm fucking
moon
fine, dude.
landing. Oh, he's right there.
It's not even moon landing, dude. You just can't see the any. There's no. It doesn't look like you got shot at all.
Savior. Don't seem like anything to write home about. What? If you, the Seer music, I think, is the best in something like that. As gay as he is. Here. Don't seem like anything to write home about. What? If you, the Seer music, I think, is the best in something like that. As gay as he is. Had some good music. What? If you, the Seer music, I think, is the best in something like that. As gay as he is. Had some good music that season.
What did?
The Seer menu music.
What did?
The Seer menu music.
Oh, yeah.
Might actually get my
Pissed off at Fortune.
definitely nice having Chris on the scans. Yep. And the ones and twos.
There's zero accuracy here.
Definitely nice having Chris on the scans. Yep. And the ones and twos.
There's zero accuracy here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I see you, Pathfinder.
Jesus, that was bad.
Pathfinder's coming up on me.
Path is cracked and down the other one.
Alright, there's only one left. Heal up, boys. I see you, Pathfinder.
Jesus, that was bad.
Pathfinder's coming up on me.
Path is cracked and down the other one.
Alright, there's only one left. Heal up, boys.
I can't hear so good no more.
Yeah, I want to know who does the voice acting for.
Just a newly born child.
They pull him out of his mother's vagina and then.
Yeah?
Yeah, no, I'm not. Never mind.
Yeah.
Bring a microphone up to him. He's voiced by a ghost.
I'm the best, homie.
Oh, I see what you mean.
I want to see that.
Yeah, sure. I don't see why not.
Julian, you're gay.
It's a hypothetical in which I'm straight.
Okay, fine.
No, what are you?
Jesus.
How'd you kill me? What'd you do?
I didn't know I could do that. What did you do? I kicked the trash can.
Okay. No.
What?
Clemente!